Umasipala waseThekwini ulapha endaweni yase-Ward 94 la sizovula khona izindlu ezu-48 ezakhiwe ngo-34 million rand. These are beautiful housing units. Kuzohlala abantu bebekade behlala endaweni eyama-hostel, behlala nabathathu. Kuzothi kungaqedwa sibafakela, sibakhiphe laba abasasele, sibafake kade kuhleli khona laba kulindela, siphinde sidevelophe le ndawo abahleli kuyona. Njengoba senze u-48 units, so besuka la sisenza omunye u-96 units. And iyona ndlela yokwenza ukuthi isithunzi kubantu bakithi bebehlala emahostela ngendlela endala. Yabona manje abantu bahlala nama-families abo. These are rental stock, I must say that, because kuse hostel and bayiphathe kahle, so balekelele ukuthi bayigcine lezi ndawo zihlanzekile.